Hello everyone, and welcome to QuiztoKNOW on Philippine history. Today, we're going to test your knowledge on some of the hidden gems of our past. Whether you're a history enthusiast or just curious, this quiz will challenge your mind. Let's see how well you know your Filipino heritage. Let's kick things off with the first question. Here we go. In 1565, Spanish explorer Miguel López de Legazpi established the first permanent settlement in the Philippines. Which island did he land on to set up the settlement? Was it the Luzon, B. Cebu, C. Mindanao, or D. Panay? You've got 5 seconds to answer. Ready? Go! The correct answer is B. Cebu. Legazpi landed on Cebu in 1565, establishing the first permanent Spanish settlement in the Philippines. Moving on to question 2. Let's see if you know this. Which Filipino national hero was also a physician and wrote a novel that inspired the Philippine Revolution, but was exiled to Dapitan before his execution? Was it A. Andres Bonifacio, B. Emilio Aguinaldo, C. José Rizal, or D. Apolinario Mabini? Let's go. And the correct answer is C. José Rizal. Rizal was not only a revolutionary hero, but also a skilled doctor and writer, with his novels sparking the flames of rebellion. Here's a tough one. This is about a significant battle during the Philippine-American War. Which battle is known as the largest and deadliest, taking place in the province of Bulacan in 1899? Was it a Battle of Manila, B. Battle of San Juan, C. Battle of Tirad Pass, or D. Battle of Malolos? Think you know it. The correct answer is D. Battle of Malolos. This was the largest and deadliest battle of the Philippine-American War, fought in Bulacan in 1899. Alright, question 4 coming at you. This one's about the rich culture of our indigenous peoples. Which indigenous Filipino group is known for their exceptional weaving skills, particularly their intricate textiles called inabal? Is it A. Afugo, B. Taboli, C. Ilocano, or D. Marino? Here we go. The correct answer is C. Ilocano. The Ilocano people, especially in the north, are known for their beautiful, intricate, inabal fabrics. Let's get into some more surprising history. Before the Philippines became a Spanish colony, which foreign power briefly ruled over the island of Sulu in the 16th century? Was it A. the Dutch, B. the Portuguese, C. the Chinese, or D. the British? The correct answer is B. the Portuguese. They briefly ruled over the Sulu archipelago before the Spanish arrived. Here's a fun one. The Philippine national flag is flown upside down during times of war. What specific event was the flag flown upside down to signify the start of hostilities in the Philippine Revolution? Was it a Battle of Pinaglabanan, B. Battle of Morello, C. Battle of Manila Bay, or D. the Siege of Baylor? And the correct answer is a Battle of Pinaglabanan. The Philippine flag was first flown upside down during this battle in 1896 to signify the start of the revolution. We're almost at the end. Which Filipino revolutionary leader declared Philippine independence from Spanish rule on June 12, 1898 in Coet, Cavite? Was it A. José Rizal, B. Emilio Aguinaldo, C. Andres Bonifacio, or D. Sergio Osmega? This one's a biggie. The correct answer is B. Emilio Aguinaldo. He famously declared Philippine independence on June 12, 1898. And that's a wrap. How did you do? I hope you enjoyed the quiz and learned something new. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for part 2.